In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk add product tags in Shopify on desktop. If you're looking to organize your catalog, improve search, or power automated collections, tags are a quick, flexible way to label products. Today's method is perfect when you need to add different tags to different products at the same time, all from one place. Start by heading to your Shopify admin on desktop and open the Products section. This is your central hub for everything in your catalog. Before you begin, it helps to think about the tagging system you want to use. Keep tags short, consistent, and meaningful so they're easy to filter and report on later. You can use the search bar or filters here to narrow down to the exact set of products you plan to update, which makes bulk editing both faster and safer. Next, select the products you want to edit. Use the checkboxes to pick specific items, or select all on the page if you've already filtered to the right group. Take a moment to confirm your selection, since any changes you make will apply only to these products. At the top, click Bulk Edit. This opens Shopify's spreadsheet-style editor, which lets you adjust multiple fields across multiple products side by side. It's a great space for making focused changes while seeing everything in context. Inside the editor, click Columns and add tags. If you don't see tags listed yet, this is where you enable it. Once tags is added as a column, you'll see a field in each row for the corresponding product. Now you can add or update tags for each product row. Tags in this view typically appear as a comma-separated list. Type new tags, edit existing ones, or remove any that no longer apply. You can introduce brand new tags on the fly. There's no need to pre-create them. If multiple products share the same tag, you can copy and paste to speed things up. Aim for consistent spelling and formatting because even small differences create separate tags. Think about how you'll use these. For example, seasonal labels, material types, or collection triggers, and keep them clean and purposeful. When you're confident everything looks right, click Save. Depending on how many products you edited, it may take a moment. Once the save completes, your tags are live and immediately usable in filters, searches, and any automated collections that rely on them. And that's it. By using the bulk editor with the tags column, you can quickly customize tags for each selected product without jumping in and out of individual pages. Keep your tagging system consistent, review your selection before saving, and you'll keep your catalog organized and easy to manage.